Okay guys, so most traders think that they need multiple accounts, risk 3% per trade and big leverage to make a living. That's not true. What you see right now is just one 150k account. I was risking 1% per trade for just 1 month. I started on January 26th and I traded for a month until February 26th. So one 150k account, 1% risk, and I was able to net 13,000 profit. In this video, I'll show you the full statistic from this account. I'll explain exactly how I structure risk at 1% per trade, and I'll break down a couple of trades using one of my models, so you can see how it actually works. So now let's do the full statistics breakdown. This is just one 150k account. It's not a combined, not scaled, just one 150k account. Net P&L for 1 month, 13,000. Win rate, 71%. Profit factor, 2.11. Take a look at this P&L curve. Beautiful, going up. No huge drawdowns. The goal wasn't to make like 20k in a month. The goal was controlled consistency. Even with 1% risk, there were just a couple red days. Most of them are kind of break even. Just this one on February 11th, I lost 2%. So now let's talk about risk management. I always risk only 1% per trade. So at this account, my drawdown is 6,000. So I always risk from $600 to $700 per trade. My max daily loss is 2%. So after I have 2 losses per day, I just close the charts and I go do something else. And usually when my target profit got hit, I do the same. I just close the charts and I go back test, or I go do something else. As you can see, most of my green days are just 2 hours. 2.55 hours. Okay, so now let me show you my trades. I will do a two trades breakdown, and so I can show you what 1% a trade actually looks like. Let's switch the chart. 1 second. Okay, so the trade I want to show you, the first trade I want to show you is a short trade on NQ that I took on February 23rd. Here's my journal, here's a screenshot, and my model is, so the idea of this model is when I really prefer when for example, if I want to short, I don't want London lows to be taken before New York open and Asia lows to be taken by London. So I want both of these lows to be not taken. So when on Monday the market opened, let me show you something on a 4-hour time frame. On 4-hour time frame, before the market opened, even at the time the market opened, we fully balanced this fair value gap, and at the same time this high was taken before. So when market opened at 9:30 a.m. I went down to 3-minute time frame. I don't use 2-hour time frame. I mean 1 minute time frame. Once the London was taken, and I saw this reaction on this candle right here, I went short with my stop above this high and my target at Asia low. I believe I took profit too early. I took profit at Asia high. My entry was kind of late. Yeah, I think so. My entry was somewhere right here. But let's see how it played out. It played out perfectly. And the second trade I want to show you is exactly the same model, with London and Asia liquidity not taken before New York open. Let me find it. No. Okay, right here. It was on gold on February 12th. Let me show you. Let's start a new replay. Same logic. High time frame. Highs taken, highs taken. 1 hour time frame. Here's London. Took this high. So we keep sweeping highs and keep leaving swing lows. So when the market opens at 9:30, I see that we swept London highs. This resistance to the upside, I consider it high resistance liquidity. So my bias was short. Once we sweep London high, I move down to 3-minute time frame and I see a nice reaction to the downside. I'm entering short with stop loss above this high, targeting Asia low. Let's see how it played out. Perfectly. So in my opinion, most traders fail because they want speed. They want to double accounts. They want to make profit every day. They want to risk a lot to make a lot in a couple days. But if you can consistently, if you can consistently generate 8 to 10% on 150K account with controlled risk, that's considered a business. One account, one model, 1% risk. So thank you for watching, guys. I will keep posting videos. I will do track breakdowns. In the future, I'm planning to do some backtesting sessions. Yeah. So if you enjoy my content, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Have a great day.